Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Saturday the 11th. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. This is coming from Yohong. Amazon, the link is going to be down below. Check them out. Take advantage of Amazon's Prime fast shipping. And hopefully everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Here we got something heavy in here. So we're going to get to cutting. See what it is. Here we go. Now what do we have here, guys? Oh boy. Oh, alright. I don't have a pool or anything to take this in right now. This is the Luke full face snorkel mask. So Luke, check them out. Nice. You got different colors to choose from. Luke full face snorkel. Small, medium, blue. This is nice. Nice bag. Alright. So, I mean, it's getting into the summer. Maybe next year take this out. Do some deep sea snorkeling. I did snorkeling in Hawaii when I was about 9 years old, and that was pretty scary. Swimming with the sharks at that age, but made it through. But definitely we didn't have nothing like this. We just had a normal mask, but this is a nice one, panoramic. And here we go. Look at that blue. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Boom. You got the air spots right there. This is a nice mask. Kind of like G.I. Joe style. And then you can hook up your what's it? GoPro and stuff like that, underwater cameras. If you have a good one, hook it up to that. I don't think it comes with brackets, or oh, maybe it does. Yep, it comes with the mounting brackets. Hook up your camera. Make sure you have a case on it, but I don't have it. Here's the whole nozzle. Got the balls in there. There we go. Lock it in. This is a nice mask. You guys want to go deep sea diving? Go some snorkeling lessons. Really good company. Check them out. Take advantage. Features dual channels, prevent fogging, silicone material. Hopefully you guys can see it. Adjustable elastic band, 180-degree wide viewing, excellent visibility, easy to strap on. I won't show myself, but that's what it looks like when you strap it on. It's like from the movies, man, I'm telling you. So this is a really cool gift idea for your friends away. Get that. Phoning operation, pretty simple. I showed you guys already. No fogging lens, removable GoPro mount, air out mouth, bounce buoyancy ball. So this is it. This is the top of the line one right here, YouTubers. And you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out, and get this out to you in no time. You guys out in Florida, Miami, Cali, Hawaii, might want to pick one of these up for your next trip. Oh, look at that. Boom. Awesome stuff. Awesome. So, alright, YouTubers, like I said, link is going to be down below. You guys have a good Saturday. Be safe, and see you guys soon.